You've made it to Thursday of week 2. This is going to be the last thing that you need to do this week for your math assignments. So congratulations, you've made it this far. You're almost done. All right, so I am going to be working on example 5 on page 472. You can follow along in your book, or you can follow along in a scratch piece of paper, whichever you want. So it is a story problem. It says, Toya had her birthday party at the movies. It cost $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie ticket. How many friends did Toya have at her party if she spent $78? So the first thing we're always going to do with a story problem is to pick out the key parts. So we know that it costs $27 for pizza and $8.50 per friend for the movie. We also know that she spent $78 total, and we're trying to figure out how many friends did she have at her party. Okay, so it's always easy to pick out the total first. So we know she spent a total of $78, so we're going to equal $78. Okay, we know that they bought a pizza. So they just bought one pizza and it cost them $27. But then they also went to the movies. So it's an additional cost, so plus $8.50 per friend. Do we know how many friends went to the movie? No. So that's going to be our variable. Let's say F for friends. So F equals number of friends. Okay, so we have our two-step equation now. So we're going to draw a line through the middle. We always work on the side that has the variable, so I have 850F, and then also I have plus 27 with that. So in order to get rid of that positive 27, I'm going to subtract 27, which we'll do to one side. You have to do to the other. I made a zero pair there, so I'm left with 850 times F. I subtract 78 minus 27, and I get 51. I know that 850 and F are multiplied, so the opposite operation would be division. So I divide by 850, divide by 850, F equals, I can type this into my calculator, 51 divided by 850, and I get 6. So Toya can have 6 friends at her party. So I got done with that story problem, and then I got to thinking, some of you are going to be like, well, F equals 6. So technically, though, Toya has to pay for her own movie ticket too. So if you want to be real technical about it, Toya can have 5 friends at her birthday party, and then the 6th person would be her. If you didn't think that much into the story problem, that's okay, because the book actually says that the answer is 6 friends. But I know some of you would kind of question that, so I thought I would put my 2 cents in on that topic as well. All right, your assignment for today is to do on page 472, number 1 through 5. Yes, you have to answer 5. Make sure on number 4 you set up the equation and you answer it. Take a picture, submit it into Google Classroom, and then you are done for the week. Nice job.